everyone, Keith here, Tips and Tricks HQ. In this video, I'm going to be walking through some of the settings for the WP eStore WordPress plugin. Now, the first thing you want to do after installing the plugin, go to WP eStore and then Settings. And as you can see across the top here, all the settings are broken up into different sections. And we're going to start in the General Settings tab and scroll down slightly, and you can see where you can set the language, the currency code, and the symbol. Now, a lot of the other settings on this page, the defaults will work just fine, but we'll go over a couple of the areas where you may want to make some changes. The return URL and the cancel URL are important. This is the page. By default, it'll be the home page for this WordPress installation, but you can change that so that after a successful purchase, you can redirect the user to a thank you page, for example. And if they cancel their transaction during the process, you can specify what URL they go to if they cancel. Now we'll keep scrolling through here, and there's a shipping and tax related settings section that you could fill out if necessary. And if you wanted to set it up in debug mode so that you can write to the log files just in case things aren't working as expected, you can see where the issues are. And that's it. Once you update your settings, just click on Update Options. And let's scroll right back to the top here, and we're going to look at the payment gateway settings. This is where you specify whether you want to use PayPal, to checkout, authorized.net, for example. Different options for payments when somebody is checking out. Now, if you wanted to use more than one, you want to make sure you select this checkbox at the top to use multiple payment gateways. And at the very top, you'll see there's PayPal settings. This is the main one that people use, so you can set that up. All that's really required in here is your email address and the little checkbox saying to use this particular gateway. And you can also use manual checkout if you want. And then there's settings for to checkout and authorized.net. So just click on Update when you're finished setting that up. And let's scroll back to the top, and then there's some email settings. This is where you can set up the from address for the various emails that go out during the transactions, and you can specify the body of the emails as well in this section. And autoresponder, you can set it up so that people are added to your list automatically when they make a purchase, for example, so that all those settings are in here. And that's really it for the basic settings for WP eStore. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.